too, so.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
This is the machine.
That's the machine? Lost
This
the
is
key?
the lock. The key I lost.
No one can get a snack. Well, you can't even fill it up.
No, I sold the laundromat, and the new owner wants to use it. So
gotcha.
I can't find the key.
Yeah. So I'm doing that. Can we get the tool in there properly?
I put the key somewhere where I was gonna not lose it.
Yeah, maybe it's on top of the machine.
I don't know.
I'll just drill it. Give me a few minutes.
So he still has to
Let's see the lock right here. See it? Push that down. New lock. Someone on TikTok said that they didn't get it in all the way. You can either shave that down, which is kind of hard, or just shave the end of this down, and then it'll lock into there properly. So that one went in just fine. Here it's locked. Cool way to shave, huh? No money. All right, it's all done.